Managing cryptocurrency assets requires top-tier security and ease of use. Trust Wallet excels as a user-friendly platform, and this guide reveals a key feature that enhances your experience while safeguarding your digital assets. Encrypted backup. Phrase, your asset lifeline. The encrypted backup phrase is essential for Trust Wallet users. Comprising 12 or 24 words, you can recover your wallet and its contents if your device is lost or damaged. Safeguarding this phrase is critical, as it's the only way to regain wallet access. Pro tip: store your backup. Phrase offline. For maximum security, store your encrypted backup phrase offline to avoid online threats. Write it down or engrave it on a metal plate to keep it secure and accessible only to you. Steps to secure your backup. Phrase: open Trust Wallet and go to Settings. In Security, select Backup Phrase. Generate and securely store the 12 or 24-word phrase. Confirm the phrase in the app. Store it offline, away from digital vulnerabilities. Additional tips: create multiple wallets for different purposes. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. Keep your app updated for the latest features and protections. By following these tips and securing your backup phrase offline, you enhance the safety and convenience of managing your digital assets with Trust Wallet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and insights on cryptocurrency management and security.